Kia ora, my name's Jesse. I'm from Te Hapua and I'm the team leader for the Taiao team. My team takes care of the pest control and fencing and weed control. Yep, so we've got possums, stoats, rats, pigs. Yeah, so we've got a bit of gorse, a bit of pampas. Yeah, there's all sorts of weeds throughout the farm and all our tracks. Kind of hard to keep track. So at the moment we're out setting traps. So we yeah, we've got a few lines that we're managing at the moment. Yeah, so at the moment most of our traps are already out there. We're just going and resetting the traps, and yeah, if we are taking traps, we maybe take one person with a backpack full of traps, and we'll just take turns with the bag, make it a bit easier for each other. No, it's cool to work in our own area. One of the cool things about it, just getting to walk around in our own bush, and I think just getting everyone to the right level, making sure they keeping them safe around the traps, I suppose, and on their lines in the bush. I think most of them are pretty confident, or they've been in the bush and done similar work, so it makes it a bit easier. Access to the areas would be awesome, if our own could access all these areas. Yeah, so that's something that would be awesome. I'd just like to hear that, what we've been doing out there is working, and well, it would be good for us to have all our birds and all our wildlife back in there. That's meant to be in there, that's wanted in there, I suppose. It'll be good for them to carry this on, and be able to go out there and do the work on their own, get something out of it for themselves. We want to look after all our trees and our natives out there, so that's kind of the big thing going on right now, is keeping all our trees and everything out there alive that we want out there, just to have a predator-free area, or New Zealand.